Precision agriculture is an innovative approach that uses technology to optimize farming practices, leading to increased efficiency and also improve environmental sustainability.
The use of technology, as in the application of precision agriculture in farming, to ensure that we have increased productivity. So precision agriculture, which entails use of different approaches to boost farm productivity, is actually the point of discussion in this particular conference.
The third African Conference on Precision Agriculture brought together stakeholders at the University of Nairobi to discuss the advancements of technology in transforming the agricultural sector.
We've had very diverse technologies, the use of drones, the use of technology, the use of AI. So all these are all technologies aimed at improvement of the agricultural productions.
The conference also focused on the use of drones, which are equipped with sensors and cameras to capture real-time data on soil conditions and pest infestations, which help farmers make prior and informed decisions on farm control.
You can know which crops are suffering from stress, you can know which crops are ailing. So one of the benefits is real-time data collection.
The use of drones, AI, machine learning and all that, how best these technologies can help us to get real-time information in terms of, for example, in the field, knowing the quantity of fertilizer that should be spread, knowing the specific areas that requires intervention in those particular fields, and also knowing the health of the soil.
The need for collaboration with the government together with the private sectors in giving support and grants to implement precision agriculture can widely encourage farmers to adopt this modern method of farming.
If I go to a large-scale farmer, one drone can do easily 300 acres a day, just one. For me to do similar work with smallholder farmers, I have to go convince 300 people to spray their farm in the same day. And that aggregation is where is a problem. So the way we are trying to solve that is partner with chemical companies, cooperatives, and aggregators.
International organizations in partnership with the government are working together to develop affordable solutions to reduce the cost and make it accessible to farmers.
Basically to reduce the cost of these services, because they are quite expensive, but the government can try to subsidize and make it affordable to the farmers.
Despite challenges such as high cost of implementing the modern ways of agriculture, precision agriculture has integrated ways to optimize farming practices in order to produce sustainable agricultural produce. Reporting for UNCTV, my name is Nuru Niazaro.
UNCTV, empowering you.